Hello everyone, I am Shiar Bervi and in this video we will discuss C program to compute sin x value using Taylor series approximation. Compare your result with the built-in library function and print both results with appropriate messages. According to Taylor series approximation, sin x can be calculated by using following formula, that is sin x, where x is a degree of a value degree given equal to x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x5 divided by 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 divided by 7 factorial up to x raised to n divided by n factorial up to the approximation of 0. Then let us see or discuss a C program to compute sin x using Taylor series. Starts with a main program hash include header files as hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h and hash include math.h. stdio.h header file required to deal with your input output devices, conio.h for your console input output, and math.h header file we are using to use a built-in mathematical function as a absolute in your program. Then start with a main program as void main, then declare a variables as integer x that will read the degree, then a term value, one variable as the th, intermediate value as the th, then the term value and the iterative value as the I. Then next use one more variable as float sum, then to make the series addition and to hold the result into the sum variable. Then a clear screen. Then next printf, enter the angle in degrees, scanf %d ampersand x, read the value or the sign value in degree and store that value into the variable x. Then initialize x value to th equal to x. Then x is equal to x into 3.1452 divided by 180. This formula we are using to first convert a degree from degree to radians. The formula we are using in Taylor series is a radius in a radian value. That's why first convert a degrees into a radians as x is equal to x into 3.1452 divided by 180. Then next initialize I equal to 1. Then next I equal to 1, term is equal to x, sum is equal to x, and repeatedly do these calculations as I is equal to I plus 2, term equal to minus term into x divided by I minus 1 into I, and sum equal to sum plus term until the absolute term value is greater than or equal to 0.005. In this do while loop we are expanding the Taylor series. We are expanding the Taylor series formula as shown in this formula as sin x is equal to x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x5 divided by 5 factorial minus x raised to 7 divided by 7 factorial plus x raised to n divided by n factorial. In this program, absolute function can be used to get the absolute number. That is, if you have any negative number, convert that negative number into absolute positive number. This is an built-in mathematical function we are using in this function as a absolute to convert any negative number into positive number. And repeatedly performing this, you will get the approximate sign value for given degree using Taylor series. Then finally print the results as print the sin x without using library function that is available in the output variable as sum, and once again you have to display the sin x value using built-in library function as sin x, and its definition is also again available into the header file called as math.h. Then next discuss our program or execute our program with some sample inputs to generate the sin x value using Taylor series approximation. Then execute this program with some sample inputs to generate sin x value, that is control F9, enter the angle in degrees as suppose 90, then press enter. You will get the values, it is approximate value without using library function as 1, and the using library function as 0.84. Similarly, execute once again, enter the angle in degrees. Suppose it is 45, then you will get the value as sin x without using library function as 0 and with using function as a 0.